everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my channel and my life. So today I am unboxing the December Allure box. I've had this for a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox it today. Stay tuned. Okay, let me tell you what Allure is real quick. Allure is a beauty and skincare box that is $23 a month. This box used to be $15 a month, and in October it went up to $23. I would say reason they're putting more full-size products in your box. So we're going to compare for the next couple months with IPSY and BOXYCHARM because they also give you 5 items, but theirs are 5 full-size items for $25. This box here is $23, and they promise to have 3 full-size products, and then there's samples and deluxe samples in there, so you're going to get more than 5 items. So let's go ahead and open up. Okay, first thing I notice, you see that I do not have a brochure in my box, so I'm going to have to refer to online to figure out how much these retail values are and what these items are. So let's go for the first item that I see. Okay, this item is a very sharp tip liquid eyeliner. I've seen other people unbox this and they said that it was very sharp on the end, but it really does do a good job. So this is an eyeliner in black, which I do not want to open because I don't wear eyeliner. So I want to put this in one of my giveaways or gift it. So the company is called By Me. It is black, it is liquid, and what else? Oh, it's $22 retail value. So this would be the first item that is full size. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, put my glasses on because this actually helps. So the next item that I pulled out is a little box. And we'll open it up. It is called the La Roche-Posay B3 Retinol Cream. So it is itsy bitsy tiny, if you can see that, up to my finger. So yeah, it's really small. Let me adjust my, hopefully that's better. I had to adjust my camera where it was sitting. So this is a B3 retinol cream. According to the website on this one, it says it decreases inflammation. Okay, and it also helps skin to retain moisture. Okay, the next item in the box is this one here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Bring it over. It's a thirst quenching serum by Caudalie. Okay, so it says this is very lightweight, almost like an essence. There is no exfoliating ingredients in this, so it is safe to use twice a day. Okay, so this is the deluxe sample, I would say, sample or deluxe sample. The full-size value of the product would be $49 retail. So this is on the side of my sample sizes. So this item here does have fragrance. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, you might not want to use it, but it does have some floral fragrance to it. Let's see what else we got. Okay, the next item that I pulled out of the box is made by Cetaphil. And I know the Cetaphil makes great products. I have grandchildren that have eczema, and I know that when my daughter was treating them when they were little, especially, she used a lot of Cetaphil products. This is a day cream. It does say in the brochure or online that it works for 48 hours for dry skin. So we'll have to try that. I have very dry skin. I have Sjogren's syndrome, and it's all about not having any moisture. So we'll try this. Hey, the next item in my box is Mud Masky. I've had several products from Mud Masky, and I do like them. This is a leave-on winter mask. Okay. This mask right here, it comes out white colored, but when you put it on your skin, it becomes transparent. It has jojoba oil and argan oil in it, and soy. It also has soy in it, so if you're allergic to soy, you may steer clear, but you can put this on and nobody knows that you have it on, and it's a mask. This item right here, the Mud Masky, the retail value is $45 on this, and this is full sized. So I don't know how much this takes to put a mask on, you know, how much of the bottle. So I might even try this tonight or today before I after I take all my makeup off, and then see kind of how it is. So that right now, that is 2 full-size products that I have in my box. Okay, here is my last item. It was wrapped in bubble wrap inside of the box, and this is the box. It is Ciate of London. It is my favorite brand right now. It has a mirror. Oh, what pretty colors. There's 9 colors. So this is, well, it said on the thing that Ciate of London 9 color palette, and that's what it is. All of these just neutral tones. Those are my tones. Oh, look at this one up here. I don't want to, that's a pretty color. Love, love, love. Okay. So Ciate of London 9-piece. I just got another Ciate of London out of my BOXYCHARM, and I think it's got 12 little palettes inside. So you'll have to check it out. I did a BOXYCHARM. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Even the packaging. On the palette, 4 of these are neutral colored out of the 9, and 5 shades are shimmers. Let me show it to you again. It's just like perfect size. I got the other Ciate of London, which was a little bit bigger than this one. I think it had 12, but I like also the 9 because it's small, and I love to travel. It's been so long since we traveled. I know, we're just waiting. My husband has 2 classes left, and we're gonna find somewhere where we can go. As long as we can go together. Value on the Ciate of London palette is $24. Okay, so as you guys know, I've been comparing my BOXYCHARMs and my, here, let me shut this off real quick. I have been comparing my BOXYCHARMs and also my IPSYs to the Allure's box as it's been coming out with full-size products. I'm totally not sure. This is what, okay, so the Mud Mask, the palette, which I really love the palette, and the eyeliner are full-size products. And then you've got the Cetaphil cream, you got the B3 cream, and then you had one other, which one is it? This one's Cetaphil. It was this one. So these are kind of like small sample sizes. I think 2 might be like drugstore sample sizes. So basically, I'm only getting 3 full-size products for $2 less. I mean, I've been getting this box for a while, and I love it, and I would hate to cancel it. So I'm thinking about trading it out for either a glossy box, birch box. I've kind of been looking in those areas. So we'll see. I just don't know. So I hope you guys liked my video today. I thank you for coming and hanging out with me. Actually, I have no more boxes underneath my desk today. So this is my one film that I'm going to do. I'm going to work on my films about me being blind. So hopefully that first one will come out soon. I will be editing it and you guys can learn a little bit about me. So I'm also doing a get to know me video. So if you have any questions that you want to know about me, put them down below on this video and I will write those down and put them in the video for the get to know me video. Okay guys, so if you are not subscribed with me, if you like the content, I also do travel, skincare, lifestyle, vlogs, daily and weekly vlogs, just all kinds of videos. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified, and if you guys don't mind, even my subscribers, please click the like button so that my video will go out to other people to see. I don't want it to get lost out there in nowhere land, right? So once again, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.